with Manang Wilma. Today we're here at our renovation again. We're here every day and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. Okay, here's what we're doing. This is the door here, and this is on the top of the door, and have a very heavy kind of what is that, hon?
It's a mud texture, I guess.
Oh, mud, heavy mud texture. And you see, that's hard to see that right there. Okay, and we're going to replace this with a new sheetrock, just like what we did in the kitchen, and texture it again. So this is work that we did not expect to do. So this is what's behind. See, you see here, this is sheetrock here. So they just put sheetrock on top of this heavy texture, and this is the electrical here, which is a newer electrical box, so that's fine. But we just have to put a new sheetrock on top of here so that it will look nice in here. And we will put the new doors here. We'll put the new doors first, and then we will put the sheetrock after we put the new door.
The reason we're taking the sheetrock out is the old door frame goes up and around here and down. We're going to have to take that off in order to put the new door on. So in order to do that, we have to get into the sheetrock, which is ugly anyway, so we might as well replace it with the new sheetrock to have it all look nice. So next thing is to take off this frame around the door.
Okay, he just got done removing all that stuff that we show you, and it's all bare now, and we're ready to put the door frame. Okay, I'm shooting against the lights, it's kind of hard, but
We're probably going to have to replace the outlet boxes and the outlets too, they're so old.
yeah. Measure the door, and it's a little bit
81
short.
and a half.
It's 81 and a half, and our door is what?
Our door is 81 and a half tall.
And this one is how much?
It's about 80.
80, so we're
about
short.
81, about a half
We're
inch.
short about half inch, so we have to remove this piece of wood in here so we could make it fit. It's rotten already anyway, so there's always more work than what you think. And this is just, it's not just simple taking off the old door and putting the new one. See, this is rotten already anyway.
Wide, so that's good.
So that's good, huh? It will just be a right fit. Yeah, it's rotten already anyway. See, that wood is already rotten. So that's good. If it's just the right height, it's good. See if the door fits. See, he has to carry this by himself. I can't help. It's a very heavy door, so poor Ed, he had to do everything by himself here. That's what everybody's asking me on the comment on our videos, that is Ed doing this by himself? Yes, he does. He does it all by himself. He's gonna cut some more of that top part there. gonna try to put the door in. Hope it fits. Okay, we'll give it a try now that we remove all that packing stuff, so hope it will. Nothing ever comes. That's it. Told you. Praise the Lord. Yep. That door is in. It fits. I know, but at least it fits the hole, you know. Have to level it and then screw it in. There.
Well, it's in there.
It's in, so now you just have to level it in and screw that in.
Is it going to be high enough for the flooring to come up? Yeah,
Yep.
it is.
Mhm.
Good stuff.
Well, there's a floor. Try that. Put it in the piece and see how it come out.
Okay, well, let me put a screw on top, make sure it doesn't fall
No,
out.
I'll hold it. I'll hold
Hold
it.
it.
Let me put it in pause first.
Okay.
Try to see how it looks with the flooring in it.
I think that would be okay, huh?
That will be okay. That would be good. Yep, perfect. Just right. Uh-huh.
Make sure it's had enough clearance, you know?
Yeah,
In order to close.
door's closed.
Okay, good enough.
Yep. Okay, our door is in. It took a lot of doing, what you call this thing, leveling it off, because we have to make sure it's level so the door will close and it just be right. But we got the knobs in and we got the door in place. Our next step here, we're gonna caulk those holes out there, so make sure that air couldn't go through and it's sealed. And then we'll change those light switch, and of course put the trim, and it will be finished. So that's our accomplishment for today. And the other one, which was a bloody job, Ed cut himself a lot in installing this microwave. So the microwave is in. So all our appliances are in. Of course, the refrigerator we still need to put the water line because it's got its own ice maker here. Makes ice. You could have cube ice, crushed ice, and of course water. Okay? And then I'll show you the beauty of this. I love this. This is similar to my sink. And I like this faucet. See, if you're doing the big pots and pans, so you could kind of wash it like this. And it's very deep sink. So it's really a good setup here. I'm sure the buyer of this house, whoever buys this house, would really appreciate all these things that we did for this house. Okay, I will close this vlog for today, and see you next video. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!